every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's you lost, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Okay, punta tayo sa Paru-Paru Gym.
Ayun! Paro. Wala bang ano, alpa kokak? May alpa kokak na yan?
Walang alpaka dito, sir. Alpaka-paru lang dito.
Okay, okay.
Okay, mayroon din po tayo sinatawag na preserve dito, sir. Ito po pala ay si Samantha.
Okay.
Sabi niya,
Ganda ng
po
pangalan.
siyang namatay. Nung buhay po siya, kumakain po siya ng baboy na 80 kilos good for 1 month.
Wow! Tapos
Namatay
Mario,
lang po siya kasi matanda na.
matanda na.
Yung lifespan po ng mga python is 18 to 20 years lang po. Sabi niya siyang namatay, 15 years ang buhay.
Ayun. Galing nyo naman, na-preserve nyo yan. Ano? Di ba ano? Di ba naiirita pare? So ano yung pupuntahan natin yan? Hindi, bibili lang inumin yan.
Dito, okay, panibagong vlog na naman to. Dito tayo sa Butterfly Garden.
Yun!
The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents inside. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Okay, by the way, ma'am, sir, yung lifespan po ng mga butterfly is only 2 to 3 weeks lang.
Okay.
Palipat. Okay, trabaho muna kayo, trabaho.
Ayos to ah. Torture yan. Oo, bawal yan. Mga ano na ba yan? 18 years old na ba yan?
Natural lang po yan.
Underage, pinagtatrabaho mo pa. Magsan pa na magulang niya.
Ayun.
Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas.
Yun po nila lahat, sir, is ideya po, sir.
Ah, okay. Lahat sila. So bilang nyo yan?
Ano po?
Bilang nyo?
Sir, ano?
Hindi. Okay, okay. Natanong ko lang.
Okay, dito natin malalaman kung ano yung kaibahan sa girl at sa boy. Okay. Pag boy po, sir, is malaki po yung chan niya. So pag girl lang po is point lang po yun. Sila po is
Sharing.
nag-mate po sila. Yes po, pag nag-mate sila sir, is 24 hours.
Uy, sus Mariosep! Tol! Tol, takla. Yari tayo dyan ah.
Talaga, sakto, pinurasan mo. Kung 24 hours, pinurasan mo.
Wala na.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbor.
Palas namin ng para-para, no? Para-para na lang.
Pwede ba kami magpaturo dyan? So, sabi na.
Me so mad, I've been bad, got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas.
So, para saan yung ano, platito na yan?
Okay, by the way, ito po pala. Isaw-saw mo dito, ma'am. Wait lang ako.
Okay.
Wait lang mo, ma'am. Isaw-saw mo dito. Ito yung primary food ng butterfly. Isaw-saw mo dito sa secondary food, honey sa kawater. Ginaganyan niya. Sila po is
Ayaw, luloko mo ata kami. Ayun. Galing. Legit naman pala. Second try nga lang.
Isang try. Itong butterfly hawak ko.
Okay. Isa pa nga kung talagang legit. Okay. Hanap to siya ng ano.
Maganda pag
Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy and I turn back to
Pinaghalong ayun, oo nga, ano. Na-attract sila, ano.
O, di ba ito yung bibig nila, sir? O, kumakain sila, sir.
Oo nga, ano.
Oo, di ba?
Thank you, thank you.
This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Nako eh, gin ata yung nakalagay, nalasing mo. Ala na, ayun na tumayo.
A Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars, I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket, oh got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid, am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a
Yan, dumapo na. Oh, Mare, ito na, Mare.
Bro.
Mayo, kuha naman siya. Ayos sa'yo. Yo.
A Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died.
Kasi nga kanina. Mabahong na siya kaya yun.
Ayo.
This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. When
Thank you. Sa mabaho.
Kaya pala hindi ako,
Ano kasi niloloko?
kaya pala hindi ako dinatapuan.
Saan niya kasi ano yung kamay
Thank you,
niya?
thank you. Ay, thank you ha. Salamat ha. Ay, magbayad ka na.
the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is the
Hello guys, welcome to my Tito's channel. If you are new here, smash the like button and subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video from my Tito. We also have a Facebook page named Dre TV. The link is Dre TV X Looney Run. That's all for today's video. Stay safe everyone. Bye!